Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another Sexy Saturday haul video. Now, if you guys been following me for a while, you know I love doing these because I love to celebrate my curves, and I think if you are a woman, you should celebrate your body. Do not be afraid to wear what you want, and y'all, when you get you some sexy lingerie, you will feel amazing. There's nothing like a confidence booster that you literally can put on and take off once you get the mood right. It is all about self-love over here. It is all about just feeling good about yourself, and I literally love lingerie. Like, whether it's for me, just for me to feel good after taking a nice solo bath, or whether I'm trying to put on for my boo, I have what you need to get the mood right. So if you are interested in what it is that I slay, stay tuned.
Who can kiss and love me? Who came to rocking on? And don't use those hands to put up that gate and stop me. When we
Okay dolls, so we're gonna start with this one piece. It is spaghetti strapped, and basically it's like a silky satin look. Very comfortable. I really love the detail with the lace. As you can see, you just throw it on, and I did choose to pair it with this robe, which is also really sexy and comfortable. Now next up, we have this set. Now I'm wearing a bra underneath all of these because I didn't want to show, you know, all my goodies. But I love this set because it comes with two pieces. So you have the underwire bra, then you have your corset, which is a pretty green color, and it even has a gorgeous panty, and the garter belts are a plus. Now, most of these sizings and all the details I'll put down below, but this is available in plus sizes. Now, this one I really loved because the color. It also comes with a panty. Most of the panties are thongs and G-strings, but this one is really delicate because of the lace detail. Now, I really love the color of this one. I think it is so vibrant on camera. It's really vibrant in person. And the back detail with the shoulder, like all that is really dainty and pretty. So I would totally recommend this one. Now, I like to pick pieces that will help you feel comfortable and confident. So if you do have a pudge, if you have a stomach and you kind of want to be sexy but also help any type of insecurities you may have, all of these doll babies and all of these will cover your stomach but still flatter you. So paying attention to this particular outfit, I love how it's a bra and there is an underwire, and it really does accentuate the positive parts of your body. Now, much like the last one, again, this does have the underwire in the bra, so it accentuates your girls. It covers your tummy, but it's sheer, so it's very sexy. And I particularly like this one because the panties are really cute and detailed with the lace. Also, the same design as the bra, and it's all connected with the garter, so it's added sex appeal. Now, this is one of my favorite looks, y'all. I'm getting more and more into the one-piece looks because sometimes you don't got time to get ready and get cute and be fussing with the garter belts and all that other stuff. So this is a one-piece you can throw on, get it popping. It's really flattering with the see-through sheer for your belly. The fabric is amazingly comfortable, and black is just sexy. So this one I would definitely say add to cart now. Okay, y'all, and as you can see, I am popping in this one, y'all. It is so vibrant. I think, of course, red is sexy. Again, this is a piece that comes with multiple items. So it comes with this sheer cape, like jacket. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's uber sexy with the lace. And the color red just demands attention, and it just demands respect, and it just, I don't know, it's really feminine, and it makes you feel powerful and sexy. So if you're looking for something to really steal the show, go ahead and pick this up. It's comfortable and fits true to size.
Okay, Diva Dolls, so that is it. Let me know which one of these looks are your favorite. Please know that y'all can wear anything you want to wear. Do not let society or anyone tell you differently. There is something on Adam and Eve website for absolutely everyone, from a size extra small up to a 3X. So please, honey, get yourself something cute to wear, slay with yourself or slay with your boo, honey. But Sexy Saturdays is here to stay. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know if there's other Sexy Saturday options you want to see. I am definitely here, honey, to bring you what you need and what you want. Also, check the links down below. Remember, I'll put all my sizes of everything I have down there, as well as links directly to shop these looks. And you'll also get a coupon code, which is Crystal. You can save y'all 50% off of almost everything in the store. And also there's free shipping in the US and Canada. So y'all, go crazy. Get you something you would never have thought of, because I promise when you put it on, you're gonna be like channeling your inner Cardi B. You're gonna be feeling like a little dancer, a stripper, girlfriend. You better put on for your man, I am telling you, or put on for your woman, because honey, if you don't do it, well, nobody else will, because people ain't crazy, okay? But nah, I really want y'all to do this. I want you to feel good. I always feel amazing. I don't have anything to do today, but guess what? Your girl's gonna walk around the house just like this. Yes, these are facts. But nah, y'all, I really, really, really appreciate the support. If you don't already follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat, be sure that you do. And my name is @ChrissyTheDoll. Now, also, in addition to that, I have a whole live vlog channel, y'all. So I've listened to the comments. I'm giving y'all what y'all want. I got a behind the scenes, very raw vlog channel, also a fitness channel. So I'll put the links to my other channels down below if you want to see that. I want to say again, I want to thank y'all for your support. I hope y'all have a wonderful Saturday. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.